How many times do we help other Muslims? Putting a smile on the face of a believer is so rewarding. Why is smiling a charity? The Prophet ﷺ said, whosoever helps another Muslim brother, another Muslim sister that is suffering, he gets the reward of 100 years of itikaf. When the battle of Uhud, a rumor was spread that the Prophet ﷺ had been murdered. So a female Sahabiya, she was passing through the ranks of the Sahaba radiallahu ta'ala majma'in after the battle of Uhud. This is narrated in Fadari A'mal in many books of Ahadith. She's going through the ranks of the Sahaba radiallahu ta'ala majma'in, and someone says to her, Mata Abuk, your father died. Inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un. Ma fa'ala bi Rasulillahi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. How is the Prophet? She kept going, Mata Akhuk, your brother died. Inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un. Ma fa'ala bi Rasulillahi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. What is the situation with the Prophet? We belong to Allah, we're going to return to Allah. But how is the Prophet? She kept going, Mata ibnuk, your son died. Inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un. Belong to Allah, we return to Allah. How is the Prophet? Somebody even tells him, Huwa bi khair, alhamdulillah, he's fine, don't worry about it. Alhamdulillah, he's doing good. No. I need to see him. Finally, she saw the Prophet ﷺ and she said some words that were so powerful. After seeing the face of the Nabi ﷺ, his smile was so powerful. She says, Kullu musibatin ba'daka jalalun. Every calamity, every affliction is gone just by seeing the beauty of your face. Your face makes every calamity gone. So when you see someone sad, uplift them, make them smile. You know, when somebody's smiling, even though they're sad, they're like, stop smiling because you're making me blush too. You're making me smile. Right now I'm sad. I shouldn't be smiling. That is the power of a smile. Hamare ek ustad, we had a teacher. You know, I could feel so bad. My day is done. I can't take it. There was times where he would sit on the bench sometimes. He would give the greatest nasiha. He would sit on the bench after salah. I would just sit next to him. I wouldn't say a word. He would look at me and he would smile. A smile can change a person's life.